A good password is very important for iPhone users, it's just that you have to remember it. You change your iPhone passcode for better security, and sometimes it becomes so secure that even you can't access it. Being locked out of your iPhone feels like being friend-zoned by your crush. You can only stare, nothing to do, but there is always a way back in. In this video, we will show you exactly how to reset and restore your iPhone if you forget the password. So let's unlock it. If your iPhone is running iOS 17 or later, Apple has made the recovery process more intuitive than ever before. When you enter the wrong passcode too many times, your device will enter a security lockout state. One of the most helpful features introduced in iOS 17 is the passcode reset grace period. If you recently changed your passcode and forgot the new one, you actually have up to 72 hours to use your old passcode to sign in. To do this, look at the bottom of the lockout screen and tap the Forgot Passcode option. If you use this method, you will be prompted to create a brand new passcode immediately. This is a massive lifesaver for those of us who struggle with finger memory immediately after an update. However, if that 72-hour grace period has passed, or you simply do not remember the previous code either, you will need to look for the Forgot Passcode option located specifically in the bottom right corner of the screen. When you tap this, you can select the option to start iPhone reset. It is vital to be aware that this process will erase everything on the device, including your photos, notes, and personal settings, along with the forgotten passcode itself. To proceed with this wireless wipe, you must enter your Apple account password to verify your identity and authorize the total wipe of the device. One key technical difference to keep in mind for older versions is that deleting the phone may also automatically remove the eSIM profile, depending on the specific model and carrier settings. This means you might need to reach out to your service provider to reactivate your cellular plan once the phone is back up and running. After the reset process completes and the familiar hello screen appears in different languages, you can sign back into your Apple account and choose to restore your most recent backup from either iCloud or your physical computer.
For users who are still running older software versions like iOS 16 or earlier, the process remains relatively straightforward but has a slightly different interface. Instead of seeing a Forgot Passcode button, you will likely see an Erase iPhone option appear at the bottom of the screen after multiple failed passcode attempts. Tapping this button will trigger a clear warning that all content and settings will be permanently deleted from the device. This is a necessary security step to remove the passcode lock and protect your data from unauthorized users. You will be required to enter your Apple account password to verify your identity and authorize the total wipe of the device. One key technical difference to keep in mind for older versions is that deleting the phone may also automatically remove the eSIM profile depending on the specific model and carrier settings. This means you might need to reach out to your service provider to reactivate your cellular plan once the phone is back up and running. After the reset process completes and the familiar hello screen appears in different languages, you can sign back into your Apple account and choose to restore your most recent backup from either iCloud or your physical computer.
There are times when the wireless options simply do not appear on the screen, or perhaps your phone is not currently connected to the internet. In these specific cases, you must use a computer and a method known as recovery mode. This is the fail-safe method that works regardless of which version of iOS is currently installed on your iPhone. To begin this preparation, you will need a compatible USB cable and a Mac or a PC. If you are using a Mac with macOS Catalina or a later version, you will use the Finder application. On older Macs or Windows PCs, you will use the Apple Devices app or the classic iTunes software. The button combinations required to enter recovery mode vary depending on which model of iPhone you own. For the iPhone 8, iPhone X, and all later models, including the second and third generation SE, you must press and hold the side button along with one of the volume buttons until the power off slider appears. Turn the device completely off and wait a full minute. Then connect the phone to the computer while holding down the side button. You must keep holding that side button until the recovery mode screen, which shows a cable pointing toward a computer icon, finally appears on the display. For the iPhone 7 and 7 Plus, you turn the device off and then connect it to the computer while specifically holding the volume down button until the recovery screen is visible. If you're using an older device like the iPhone 6s or the original iPhone SE, you will use the home button instead of the volume or side buttons during the connection process. Once the phone is successfully connected in this mode, your computer will display a pop-up window asking if you want to update or restore the device. You should choose the Restore option. This will prompt the computer to download the latest version of iOS and wipe the device clean. If the download takes longer than 15 minutes, the phone might exit recovery mode automatically, requiring you to restart the button sequence. Once the process is finished, your iPhone will restart and you can set it up as a brand new device or restore your saved backup. Forgetting your password is a major hassle, but it's not the end of your digital life as long as you maintain regular backups. You should always try the wireless Forgot Passcode or Erase options first because they're the most convenient. If those are not available, recovery mode is your guaranteed solution to regain entry. To avoid this trouble in the future, make sure your iCloud backup is always turned on. Follow these steps and restore your iPhone today.